Hello everyone! Today I'm going to review a super useful product for pet owners, the self-cleaning shedding brush. This is an amazing tool that helps remove loose fur quickly and easily for both dogs, cats and other pets. Let's dive in and check it out now. Easy Desheding Brush. The self-cleaning dog brush for long-haired dogs and short-haired dogs with release bottom helps effortlessly reduce shedding. It's the one cat brush for indoor cats you must have. Cat brush for shedding, slicker brush for dogs. Skin friendly. Soft and protective plastic round head bristles won't scratch your lovely pet while de-shedding. No irrataion puppy brush for small dogs, dog brush for shedding and grooming. Sturdy and durable, made of premium stainless steel metal and comfortable rubber, this dog brush cat brush ensure the sturdiness and durability for long-term use. Ergonomic design, easy cleaning press button, and high-quality and lightweight TPR handle make your de-shedding job done a breeze. Efficient to remove loose fur. This pet grooming brush is efficient to remove loose fur, suitable for dogs, cat with long and short hair, perfect for your lovely pet like puppies, golden retriever, rabbit, kitten, bunny, yoki, and more.